You'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. Once I was a child, I participated in an art exhibition which was held by my school. I was very little at that time, but I was very crazed to draw something on the painting or on canvas. So I collect some of, I draw something which is based on natural beauty. So I try to draw the natural beauty of Naran Kagan, and I took some canvas paper or a chart paper, and I also had some painting brushes and colorful material of paints. So I try to draw these things with my hands, and also draw the natural views and trees and mountains and rivers and all. So at that time I was the painting was very looked very beautiful, but and it was very attractive, and everyone enjoyed to see that. And when it was presented to others, everyone appreciated that one, and I got the second position in the exhibition. So I was at that time I was very happy to everyone appreciated me on that occasion.
Okay, 1 minute and 37 seconds. Overall, it's good, but only you need to focus your sentence structure. Grammatical mistakes. Like you said, I was craze. It should have been I had craze for painting. Then you said I collect. It should have been I collected. You said I try to draw. I tried to draw. Then you said I also draw. It should have been I also drew.
Okay.
Draw, drew, drawn. Okay. Then you are communicating with very limited vocabulary. So you should use a variety of words which are related to the topic. Then you said painting was looks. It should have been painting looked, past tense.
Yes.
So mainly tenses, then vocabulary. These two things should go side by side. And at the end you said everyone enjoy. It should have been everyone enjoyed. Right? And as you are making the sentences, you are lacking connecting words also. Additionally, moreover, furthermore, and all that. So looking at all these things, at present, I'll give you 5.5. With a little improvement, you can make it 6, and then you can go beyond.
Thank you, sir.
Right? Thank you.